I've decided not to crush this 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322. I'm saving it. And this is a little tool that has been very helpful in this journey. Let's take a look at the tool. I absolutely love the 2007 to 2009 Land Rover Range Rover L322. In fact, I might argue, even with all the quirks and little things I'm doing to fix it, that the 07 L322 is my absolute favorite. It has the Jag 4.4 liter V8, arguably one of the better drivetrains of the Land Rovers. I think it just has that look that I absolutely love in a Land Rover. Gotta fix that sensor. And the drivability, I feel like a king when I drive this. I just like the position of it. And more importantly, the capability. I mean, this truck does great off-road. Now, I'm working through a lot of little issues, but nothing significant in terms of drivability on this L322. I fixed some suspension faults, I fixed the screen, I gotta fix that door, gotta do a brake job, but I'm hoping to have this on the road. My target was this winter, and I'm missing that. I'm hoping to have it really tagged, titled, and driving on the road in early spring at this point. I just got to go get some tires on it to be able to actually drive it beyond just my driveway. They were in terrible condition. And with any project, there's lots of things that pop up, and being able to read the error codes on this quickly has proven to be critical. Now, I have really expensive scanners that are in-depth for the Land Rover, but sometimes I just want something quick and cheap and easy. And that's why I've really enjoyed the Autophix OBD2 scanner. You plug it in, it Bluetooths to your phone, and in the event I'm on the road or something, I can just open up the app, like frankly, even as I'm driving, and check it and see what's going on. I mean, heck, it's only $63. So with discounts you get on Amazon sometimes, it can be even cheaper. After you get it, you can buy it on Amazon. It shows up in like a day, I guess, depending on where you live. Not gonna be a whole lot to it. It's gonna draw power from the OBD2 port. It comes in this little pouch. You can see just how small this guy is. Not much to it. The Autophix 3210 Pro. Outside of that, you're gonna have some instructions, and the instructions are really gonna say, plug it into your port and download the app and then let it connect. Now, the port on the 2007 Land Rover is right here, but it will plug in, and as soon as you do that, it's gonna light up. So there's an orange light on right here. You might be able to see it reflecting on my hand just a little bit. But that's it. That is it. It is plugged in and ready to go with the app. So next, you just scan the QR code, and you're gonna wanna download the Autophix app. I'm on Android, so I'm doing it through the Google Play Store. So once the app downloads, go ahead and open it up. And you're gonna want to add this device, agree to some of the terms and conditions. And now it's scanning for devices, and it will say device is connected, and you are ready to rock and roll at that point. So let's go ahead and try that battery test again. You can see that the battery is reading at 11.75 volts according to this device. So I'm gonna go ahead and say start. Please turn off the vehicle, then click OK. The vehicle is off. Please start the engine. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna start the engine of this Rover. All right, so the engine is started. It says confirm, yeah, it's been started. It's 14.28%. So you can see that the alternator here is working and everything is doing what it should be doing, because when it was off, it was at 11.74. When it's running, 14.28 with a max of 14.54. So that's a really good way to test the voltage. I can go in here and do a diag, It's gonna look at everything on the vehicle. This is really good if you're looking to buy a vehicle or if you have an issue. I can select the ECU, and I'm gonna go ahead and just look at a live data stream, and I'm gonna see what that gives me on a live data stream. So you can see that the engine's turning at 711 revolutions per minute. I'm not speeding, I'm 0. The oil engine coolant is 67 Celsius. The throttle position, all kinds of stuff. Intake, air temperature, all of this is streaming data that you can use. And like I say, if you have this hooked up when you're driving, you can get that data as you're driving. So that's pretty darn cool. Let's go check this dashboard out. Look at that. It gives you literally like your current RPM. I bet you there's other things. Yeah, you can scan over your current speed. It gives you tons, your spark, your vehicle. I mean, just digital dashboards effectively based on having the device plugged in there. You can freeze frame, which I imagine is all of the screenshots you take when you're using the app. You go to vehicle information, it's gonna pull information about the vehicle, of course give me the VIN number, it's gonna give me more information. So just basic info there. Performance. So this is, you know, if you're driving the speed and what the RPM is of the vehicle. Trouble code dictionary, but more importantly, let's go back to trouble codes. It's scanning right now and saying, do I have any fault codes? Now, you'll be shocked. This 07 Land Rover doesn't have any fault codes, but it's because I had the battery removed. I can click rescan. If there was a fault code, usually they're popping up after I drive and the battery's had time to do things. It will show me the code and I can clear it or I can get more information. I can do a deep scan and this will allow you to select a specific vehicle, say for Land Rover. So a deep scan for a Land Rover. It will be downloaded, so you can download that enhanced package for your vehicle. So this is a 25 megabyte package for the Land Rover, and that's going to give me more deep functionality in terms of all the different onboard computers and modules on this vehicle. So I have the Land Rover enhanced package downloaded. There was no cost to do that. It says 07 Land Rover, the 4.4 liter V8, that is correct. And I'm going to go ahead and do a quick inspection using the advanced Land Rover package. And you can see that the PCM, the powertrain control module, no faults, the TCM, the SRS, no faults. You can do a deep inspection. That's going to look at all of those additional little modules on the Land Rover. Absolutely nothing. It includes the TCM, the SRS, no faults located at all. So you can see that you get quite a bit of functionality out of the gate with this guy. You can also run a diag report, and when you do that, that's going to basically give you a report that is a little more in-depth of any issues that you have, and you can click share and email it out or save it as a PDF. So what a great tool to have as I save this 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322. So you just saw how easy it is to use that. You can see how you can keep it hooked up to the OBD2 port, get diag, get advanced dashboard and speed readings as you drive. It's 60 bucks. I'm gonna keep it plugged up. This is gonna be a great little thing to use, and when I have those random codes pop up as I'm driving, look at your cell phone and it's gonna tell you exactly what it is. So this is Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY and adventures. This is the Autophix Pro, 60 some odd dollars on Amazon. I like it, it's Bluetooth, it plugs in, it's small. I don't think you can beat it. Give me a subscribe and be sure to subscribe to the channel because this entire playlist is about saving this 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322 from the Crushel. Thanks for watching.